Hello everyone, welcome. Yesterday, on Friday, April the 15th, 2022, we have here two regular Sudokus, the Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 1 star. Those puzzles I'm not interested. 6 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve, and include these 2 puzzles will be total of 5 puzzles. And yeah, today is a special day. In Holland, we start the Easter with Good Friday. Yes, I don't know if other countries have a Good Friday, but they have here a Good Friday. Then we have a Easter Saturday, Sunday, and a Monday. Yes. So, all right. And let me inform you. Tomorrow there's also there's a newspaper. Sunday there's no newspaper. It's Easter Sunday, and also on Monday, second Easter day, Easter Monday, we have also no newspaper. So let me inform you those 2 days. No newspaper, so we will solve editions of the past days. But first we will solve this baby number 4410. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here 9 big squares with each big square 4 printed digits. 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, will be a 1 star. Should be easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star Sudoku in the additional has 27 printed digits. This one has 36. So I need to be faster than 50 minutes for 1 star. So maybe this one 12 minutes, 30 minutes, I do not know. We will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. 5. Yeah, a lot of 5s. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in our last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Then. How about? Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. The 2 in this column, the first column, the 2 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait for more information. Yeah. two missing numbers in the third row. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4 again. So I need to wait for more information. How about the number? Two missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Right. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the letters, not for the letters, for the digits, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 7 and 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in the last row for the numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We see here a 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 2. Wow, what a sneeze. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 7 and 9. Well, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, with this puzzle of 36 printed digits. 13 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. And we have here 473, 473, 625, 625, and 761, 761. The 7 is a pair, the 6 is a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 pairs. All right. Thank you. And I will see you in a minute with the heavy Sudoku. Yes, we have a heavy Sudoku, regular Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.